The hell is that? Is that a bird? Wait, no, is that a plane? It's not a bird. It's not a plane. It's a damn drone. They're drones. That's what's flying around. So everybody's got their panties all in a wad. What are the drones about? What's going on with the drones? Why is there drones flying around? Let's shoot them down. Even the orange man says, shoot them down. Guys, it's a federal offense to shoot down drones. All right? Federally, across the entire United States, it's illegal to shoot down drones. So please, for the love of God, don't take your blasters out and start shooting drones out of the sky. Or maybe. I don't think you should do this, and here's why. Again, it's federally illegal, so, I mean, in all 50 states, that's not something you're allowed to do. You can't really be shooting up into the air. For the second reason why you shouldn't be shooting down drones, bullets come down, that gravity thing, you know, what goes up must come down. So firing your bullets up into the air to try to take down drones, not the smartest move to be making. And then there's the whole fact that it's absolutely a legal act to fly drones over private property. So while you may not appreciate the fact that these people are flying drones over your properties in whatever state that you're in, it's a totally lawful act to do so. There's nothing wrong with flying drones around over private property other than the fact that it's annoying. You know, my property, my rights, not really when they're over top of it. Kind of like going under it. People, you know, under your property isn't yours. Over your property isn't yours. So, yeah, they can do that. And while it's obnoxious and annoying, it is a lawful act. Unlike shooting them down, which is absolutely an unlawful act, which will end up landing your ass in jail with a shitload of fines and making you a prohibited person. So, don't be shooting your blasters up into the air. It just doesn't make sense. Oh, well, I was using double-aught buck. Oh, so you're going to put 9 pellets in the air. You're going to put 9 bullets in the air. Because they're all going to stop when they hit the drone. And the drone doesn't fall, you know, because of gravity. Just a public service announcement from your friend over here at Therapy Range. I don't want to see any of my Patriot brothers and sisters getting hemmed up on no dumb shit. So be sure to live your lives to the fullest. Anything less is an injustice to yourself and every single person around you. And while it may be absolutely the most entertaining thing in the world to talk about going out and shooting down drones, let's leave it at talking. You know, because if you actually do this, you're going to end up in a world of shit that even your lawyer's not going to be able to help you out of. So, stay free, America, if you can. It's time to shut up and shoot. Hi, here we go. I got a baby blown over with a demon inside, yeah. Mad Tech Industries, the official Cerakoter for Therapy Range.